If you're a small business owner or maybe a small business manager, you probably know that you need to be engaged with Google My Business. Now, Google My Business is Google's management platform that allows you to be able to communicate with them and tell them about your business in order to get more visibility and more customers online. But a lot of the small business owners that I work with find Google My Business so overwhelming and confusing that they avoid working with it very much. I'm Ross, and I work with Horizon Web Marketing, and what we do is we basically help customers with Google My Business, and I also teach businesses how to use it better. So I want to let you know about a free webinar that I have coming up that helps you get started with Google My Business the right way, get it set up. It's a webinar that's designed not for technical people, but for business owners. It's designed to give you a lot of information clearly and quickly, and it's free. So I really hope you'll join me for the webinar. The link should be in the notes underneath this particular video, wherever it appears, and I hope to see you then.